Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've not yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. Also, make your comments if you've not. Follow us on Telegram, by the way. So, I'll be putting the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, make sure you follow us on Telegram. Now, with this movement, if you can take a look at this movement on AUD USD, literally can see there was a time that price was literally ranging within this level. This was once the resistance and this was once the support level. Then price started giving us this higher highs and higher lows. I know a lot of people actually sold from this level. This was kind of like a liquidity level. Price went up, took out a lot of traders stop loss. Now it is dropping. So this drop, we will be expecting it back to this support level right now. So basically, with what I am seeing also, I am expecting a bullish move this week on USD. So once USD will be giving us a bullish move, of course, AUD will drop because basically AUD pairs are falling. If you take a look at your AUD card, AUD Swiss franc, every other AUD pairs are actually falling. So it makes sense for AUD USD to be falling. Now this week we will be expecting a bullish move on USD. That is an indication that AUD has more to drop. We are very much likely to break this support level also. AUD is very much likely to come to this support level and actually break it and drop. Let's see if we can take out these lows, by the way. So we have this week and upper week. We have it within 2 weeks to actually take out these lows on AUD USD. So to enter, probably we should see a correction to this 10 period simple moving average, which I'll be waiting or expecting. Once we can get the correction, then we should continue the movement downward. So if there's to be a correction to this 10 period moving average and we take a sell to this support level, that will be about 146 pips, close to about 150 pips. Coupled with the fact that we are expecting it to drop to these lows, we should be aiming for about 250 pips, right? This would be about 240 pips, so close to 250 pips. So we have about 2 weeks to actually achieve it. So if you are a swing trader, this will be good for you. Wait for a correction, take your sell and hold your position. So we would see AUD USD drop. I mean, if you take a look at it, it was trading above this trend. Now it has broken below it. So if you take a look at, you add this your trend, right? You will see that a correction needs to be made to come to this 10 period simple moving average, which is very much likely to also tap this our trend. Then we can now continue the bearish movement downwards. So AUD USD this week, it is a bearish move. Now, to those of you that are having trouble growing up your account or you're actually losing, you can sign up to my Patreon channel. The link to my Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe. You can give it a try for a month. You can try it. You can give it a month trial. So you try it. After a month, if you are not comfortable, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription, by the way. So all you just have to do is, try, give it a try. We are going to be covering more on USD pairs. These are a couple of the trade we actually took last week. You can see it June 19, 20, 22, 23. These are not all the trade, by the way. Some of those trades that we took are actually not here, by the way. And of course, we had some losses, we had some wins, right? So if you take a look at it, we are using about 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio on win, and 1 to 3, and between 1 to 3 to 1 to 5. So basically, if you use 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, that is means one win can cover 5 losses. So basically, you still end up with profit, because when you have more and more win, you tend to have more and more, more profits to make. So we'll be covering more. If you're interested, you can sign up to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section.